Okay, I know I always talk about my smoothies, my famous smoothies, how I make my smoothies. So I'm going to show y'all how I make my smoothie. So I got the green superfood. I learned about this on Lynn Spirit channel. There's this guy on YouTube, Instagram. He's really funny. Check him out, Lynn Spirit. And then the protein powder I get from Target. I got spinach here and a mixture of strawberry and banana, frozen fruit. And I have my almond milk. I was going to put greens in it too, but since I got the spinach, I'm just going to do it like this. So let's get started. Let me see if I can do this with one hand. Or if I have, you know what? No, I'm not even going to try. I'm going to do it right. I'm just going to come back. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, it's going to be shaky, but I have to do it with one hand. I tried, wasn't working out. Okay, so this won't fall. Let me move stuff around. I'm going to get the strawberries or banana first. This is hard for y'all. Shout out to everyone that be filming with one hand. I never do that. So I got bananas. I want a little more strawberries than that, though. They gave me more bananas than strawberries. Well, I grabbed. All right. Strawberries. And I want a little more. I know some people put their milk first. I never put my milk first. And more strawberries. I want a little more strawberries in there. I love strawberries. Okay, that's enough. And here's my spinach. And I usually always freeze the spinach so it can be nice and cold as well. Okay, a little more. And y'all, this blender is old as dirt. When I tell you, let me show you the front of it. Oh, you probably can't even find blenders like this anymore. But I tried to, I went to Walmart to, get a new blender and to upgrade my blender, same brand. The thing starts smoking, so it scared me. So I haven't been back to get another one, but I gotta get me another blender. Even though this one works good, but it's so old. It's just old. All right, now I got this right here. This superfood. This is 2 servings of vegetables. So that's all you need is 1 scoop, and then my protein powder. Especially if I know I'm not eating food or anything and I'm just drinking a smoothie, I always have to have the protein powder. I usually just put it in here anyway, though. So, and this is for me and my mom. We have smoothies every day. We usually miss a day, but 9 out of 10 we have smoothies every day. So you want to make sure your milk. See, I swallowed it. You want to make sure you don't. And I have almond milk. And sometimes I just use water. Water works fine with me, but my mom don't like the way it tastes with just water. Water is just fine. It tastes the same to me. So I'm going to put it right there for now. Because I like my smoothies thick. Yeah, I like my smoothies thick. I don't like nothing thin and slurpy. I like them thick. So that goes for my oatmeal as well. I like my stuff thick. So I'm going to blend it some. I'm not going to have y'all on here hearing our noise the whole time. Sorry, my finger keep putting away. Y'all know I'm not good at vlogging, so I don't even know if you would consider this vlogging. But I had to put the top on that. Let me move it over there. Okay, so where's my top? Where's my lid? Where's my lid? Where's my lid? Oh, here's the lid to the smoothie. I mean to the blender. So that's the lid. Okay, so lid is on. I keep it on high, and then I just press smoothie. I usually press icebreaker first, but let's see if it breaks without the icebreaker. Okay. So that sound right there means that you need more milk. So what I do is just take that part off and pour some more milk. I ran out of mangoes and pineapples. I usually love mangoes, pineapples, blueberries, all kinds of fruit in my smoothie. It'd be so good. Okay, so let me put this back on. See, messing around with y'all. I was about to forget to put that on here. And now I'm going to do the icebreaker. I'll be back, y'all. I have to stir it. That's why I was doing it. I have to stir it up a little. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. So it's going now. I just have it on Smoothie, and I let it go for a good while. You see that pork that's not blended right there? That's why I say I need a new blender. This blender is dirt old, but all I have to do is make sure I stop it. Get a knife and just push it in there with the other stuff, and it'll eventually start to. See, it's already chopped up, really. It's just stuck to the blender. I don't like to have no chunks or any of that. And I think it's not thick enough for me. I'm going to add a little more fruit. It's not thick enough. Told y'all I like it thicky, thicky, thicky. Alright, that's enough. Just that much. Okay. Make sure that's tightened up. This is probably going to be the worst video ever. Make sure I hold it because this thing is old. That top will come up. Alright, y'all. I know y'all want to hear all this noise, so I'm going to pour my glass and sip it. Be right back. Okay, y'all. I'm trying to be fancy now. I'm trying to pour this with one hand while filming. Oh, y'all, it's leaking, it's leaking, it's leaking, it's leaking, it's leaking, it's leaking, it's leaking. At least it's leaking at the top. There we go. Oh, put that right there in the sink. Oh, it leaked already. I gotta wipe that up. But Smoothies is so good, y'all. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Okay, y'all, this is the finished product. So, y'all like this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Hit that notification bell so you'll know when all my videos are coming out. Share this video so someone else can see how I make my smoothies, or might just teach someone how to make a smoothie. Leave me a comment, let me know how y'all like this video. Until next time, love you guys, ciao. Bye, my fashion dolls. Bye, y'all.